Alright, let's go ahead and get the rim put on the machine. Let's get it locked down. Alright, it's a lot of, let me get a rag. Let's get this wiped down. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take some 80 grit that I had just laying around and just fold it in half. And we're just going to start sanding these. And not going too crazy. But just enough so the filler get inside the groove. Alright, let's get another one done. They got a piece here. Alright, I'm back. Got a little putty and hardener, mixing it up. Making sure it's mixed up real good. Alright, apply the putty like this. Try to make it smooth, less sanding later. Something like that. It's probably gonna get hard on me before I can use it all. Try to be quick about it. Got all the spots fixed, so I'm gonna go ahead and just let y'all watch me do this one. I didn't want to do all of them because it probably took too long. Now I believe I got all the spots fixed. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and sand the whole rim. Then get ready to prime it. Alright, I'm getting the wheel taped up now so I can go ahead and prime the other side. I don't want to get no paint on this side. Get back with y'all when it's time to prime. Alright, the rim is all primed up. Go ahead and sand it, get it ready for paint. Alright, let me go ahead and put the clear on so the clear can dry. Once the clear dry, tomorrow we'll paint the gray. And I know I said black, but the customer called me and changed it to dark gray. tape it up to get ready to paint the next color on. Here's the finished product.